Okinde mag Gavana Gavana Mwangaza okwedo weche ma itudogo gavana no kendo manyocha omiyo MCAs mag kaunti ma Meru thicha oko ya PC e tielo mar adek kod bura mar Senate dhi nyime gi yalo dwach MCAs mar ni Mwangaza gol e PC. MCAs wacho ni otiyo marach gi teko mar PC mare, tiyo marach gi omenda kod ketho chike manie katiba. Owinjene gino madhi nyime gi sani.
You're being called for the third time to interrogate the ability of Governor Kawira to manage the resources of the county of Meru. You're being called upon for the third time to interrogate the ability of Governor Kawira to ensure that there is effective service delivery of services to the people and the residents of Meru County. Accountability, honorable members, is a measure of leadership. Accountability is the ability of an individual to be held to account for our actions. It's not a call for interrogating the weakness of an individual, but the ability of that individual to execute her constitutional mandates.
The county assembly has created a lie, told the lie, repeated the lie so many times that it started sounding like the truth. They actually went ahead and believed that lie. And they want everyone else in this room and the entire country to believe in this lie. And when we look at them in the eye and tell them it's a lie, they get bitter. They get mad. They accuse senators of being bribed. They accuse the governor because they want us to believe a lie, because they have themselves created a lie and believed in a lie. Honorable senators, Shakespeare states that a rose by any other name shall still smell as sweet. No matter how much mud they sneer on the governor will remain clean. The governor will remain blameless. All they are hoping is that they will bring the governor so many times here that they will keep on repeating one thing, and we all believe that indeed there might be some truth in it.